As you can see today, I'm rocking these amazing cornrow braids with wooden bead. I see a lot of people for the fall are wearing these wooden beads, so I think it's kind of trendy and chic, so I decided I wanted to try. So your girl went to the beauty supply store and I got me some pre-stretch hair. I'm gonna show you in a minute how I achieve this style, but first I want to say, if this is your first time seeing me, my name is Kadeen, and I have great contents on my channel. You could go ahead and check it out, you know, and if you like what I do or the contents that I make, please consider subscribing to my channel. Without any further delay, I'm going to show you how I achieve this hairstyle. But first I want to talk a little bit about the hair that I used. I used this hair right here, and this is the 2-time expression pre-stretch hair. So it's always a hassle to, you know, get the braid to pre-stretch it. I just think that's too tedious for me, so I prefer to buy the hair that is already stretched. For the rest of the video, I'm gonna be doing a voiceover, so you could grab your water, you could grab your snacks, you could grab yourself a glass of wine, whatever you need to do. You know, we're gonna get right into the video. So before we go, remember, if you like the video, give you girls a thumbs up. Yes, we like those over here, thumbs up. And also you could leave a comment in the comment section below and let me know if you like the hairstyle. I mean, I think it's pretty trendy. I mean, especially with the beads, the wooden beads.
Hey guys! Alright, so I'm starting off with my hair that has already been washed and blow dry so I could have a little length. So right now I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to comb it out. Comb it all out, baby. Alright, so here we're going to add in some moisturization. Guys, today I'm using the Hollywood Beauty Castor Oil hair treatment. When you're doing protective hairstyle, you got to make sure that your hair, your natural hair, is moisturized underneath the braids, because we don't want any breakage, sis. No, not over here. So here I'm trying to get my pattern a little bit cleaned up. Well, I'm getting the pattern correct. I'm trying to do a horseshoe pattern. So I would recommend you use a rat tail comb. And yeah, this looks pretty good to me. So I'm just going to go ahead and wrap that up. Alright, so to clean up this pattern a little bit more, I'm going to be using the Shining Jam. Guys, this is great when it comes to cleaning up your pat. And if you don't have the shining gel, you could also use regular styling gel. I'm going to start off with the first pattern, but I think this is a little bit too small. I'm going to end up doing it all over again. But yeah, let's get into how we start the braid. Alright, so I'm going to be doing the feeding method. So we're starting off with small thin pieces of braid. So we're going to be starting off with a regular 3-strand cornrow plait, and then we're going to be feeding in the small pieces of braiding hair. So we could have a start that is a little bit thin at the beginning, and then as it progresses, it gets a little bit bigger. Guys, there's a lot of tutorial on YouTube about feeding braids, so you could go ahead and watch those. After I was finished with all the cornrows, I went ahead and I dipped my hands into hot water. And guys, you got to be very careful because this can be dangerous. If you could get somebody to help you, that would be perfect. But yes, I went ahead and I dipped my hands into hot water, and this is going to help the braids to be more flexible and relaxed. I also went ahead and put in hair beads and hair jewelry. And this is the finished look, guys. Thanks for watching.